So the drive comes out pretty easily, folds back on itself, and it's a ZIF connector, so you just have to wobble it and it comes out. Okay, and what we're going to do is install the CF card adapter instead. So the ZIF connector goes, I don't know why it's called ZIF, zero insertion force, because you have to push it in a little bit. And then I'm going to make sure this is all connected together properly, and then that will just slot back in there with a bit of luck. But first I need to screw it all together, so okay, I've got the ZIF connector connected into the IDE adapter, and I've had to remove a couple of bits of packing from around the old disk drive, which were here, here and here, but the drive now seems to fit in pretty snugly. Pops in. There's a little bit of slack on the ID cable, but I think that's going to be okay when we get everything together again. So I'm going to put this all together and boot it up.